Hi everybody, welcome back. This is Artist King here, welcoming you back to another one of my videos. Today I am going to try another collage art, and I did it and I decided not to use the medium to stick the paper, because what I found happens when the paper gets wet, it is not smooth, and sometimes I try to put stuff on there and it does not come out the way I want it to. So I thought today I would try and just use a glue stick and see how that turned out. So I wanted to prepare the page, so I used random pieces of colored paper that I had left over from other things, because as everybody knows, I do not like to waste stuff. So I'm adding all of that stuff, and then today I decided to use some white paint instead of the gesso. So let's keep looking and see how that part of it turns out. Yeah, so that's white paint that I am putting on here. So yeah, and then I added some, I believe, pink paint and some gold to give it, just to have something different. So yeah, I put some of the pink, and then I put some of the gold, and I tried to just smear it evenly over the paper. I didn't want it to become too pronounced, And then I used my stencil. I wanted to do almost kind of a picture frame effect with some texture around the edges. So that's what I do. Yeah, I used some molding paste to put that on. And I think I finally mastered, how to use the the stencils and the molding paste, because before I just couldn't get it right. But now I'm getting a little better at it. So yeah, there I am adding some texture to the edges. I wanted to kind of have like I said, kind of a picture frame effect. And I dried it, and then I used some distress ink to kind of, just kind of give it to let it stand out a little bit. So that's what you see me putting on there, and I use my fingers. I tell you, doing collage art is just very messy, and I constantly wash my hands. So today my hands look awful. They're dry and they're peeling and all that stuff, but I guess I take one for my craft. So I found these little stencils, and Hobby Lobby has an awesome sale. Almost everything in the store is like 50% off, and some things have been marked down even more than 50%. So I was able to get some of those little sticky stencil things to use for like 99 cents. So I bought up a whole lot. I always go into Hobby Lobby thinking I'm not going to spend a lot of money, but I do. So there I am. I took some pictures and half of it on the face, and I combined them to produce this. So then you see, and I tried to add some flowers to the hair just to give it a different effect. I think somewhere in the middle of this I lost some of my footage, because we're almost to the end of the video, the part where I did all the stenciling and stuff. I must have lost that piece. Must have thought I turned it on. But anyway, it's almost to the end of the video, guys. So I just want to thank you for joining me again. And remember, I post Tuesdays and Saturdays, and I will see you next time, okay? All right. Thank you for watching. Bye now. That's the end.